What is up, my friends? How's it going? So today we're going to be working on a MacBook A1706. Now we got this board from our good friends at CPR, at Cellular Phone Repair. They wanted us to help them out. I guess sometimes they need some Trilex fixing. So they already diagnosed it for me, which is good. It's down to one of these tantalum capacitors. Let's see if we can zoom in. See if we can get in there a little bit better. Alright. So, it's right there. Look at that. Nice and toasted. Nice and toasted. Yeesh. Let's look at that under the microscope. Why not? Oh yeah, look at that. That is nasty. Yeah, that's what they were telling me. This tantalum capacitor. Actually, I was telling them. I was saying, yeah, this tantalum capacitor's toasted. So let's get it off the board. Let's get that puppy off the board. And what happens with capacitors is capacitors, they short to ground. To be honest, I haven't even tested the board because they diagnosed it. I'm just going to see if I can change it out, see if that fixes the problem. Most likely it will. A lot of times when there's a capacitor, it's usually just one. It's just that one that's causing the whole issue. It's causing the whole problem. So, take that off the board. Perhaps put in a new one. Let me go from there. Our journey begins. You know, I just have this low melt solder sitting on my bench right here. I think it's low melt. It's like, why not? Let's use some of it. You know what? That's not even solder. It's not even solder. Not even solder. It's not even solder. It's not even solder. Oh man. I seriously thought that was low melt solder just lingering around. Ah, forget it. This is solder. This is solder. Yeah. Thing is, I don't want to heat up this board too much. So I'm just going to put a little bit of solder on there first before I use my hot air. So I can take it off real quick and get in and get out of there. Go do the next thing with my day. Maybe I'll actually have time to read that book that I've been wanting to read. More like do a bunch of editing that I've needed to edit. That's what it's more like. Come on. Come on. Oh, wow, look at that. Wow, wow, wee, wah. Oh, did not want to come off there. Let's get some more flux on there. Yep. Come on. There we go. Good. Take a little piece off my iron. Because I like to do a good job. Where is it? There we go. Like, where is it? because we like to do a good job, I want to use a little bit of a solder wick just to get those pads nice and clean, ready for the new capacitor. You're like, how do I know it's a capacitor? Because it looks like a capacitor. Okay? It's like clear as day. If it was one of these right here, I mean, yeah, that looks like capacitor. But I'm not 100%. On this, I'm 100%. Totally 100%. On these ones, it could be a resistor or capacitor, most likely capacitor. But I'm not 100% sure. With this, resistors do not look like that. At least I don't think so. Not on this board, at least. Okay, good. Alright. Got that all taken off. Now, the most time-consuming part is not going to be taking it off, putting it on. It's going to be doing a little bit of research. Not a lot. A little bit of research. I don't actually have this exact board, so I can't just like mix, like boom, boom, take it off my donor board. That's the same exact and put it on another one. No. Can't do that on this one. But what I can do is look for that part that's on here. Okay. Now I've already done this. Let's see. Alright. Let's check this out. So our board area, it's around the corner. Let's see, where is it? Right here. And look how right it was. I was totally right. It's a C1709. C1709. It's probably a better program to open up schematics, but right now I'm using that one. Oh man. This is why I hate Windows. I'm gonna be like anti-Rossman today. Be like C7709. I think it's really just what we're used to. If it's good, I'll use it. Okay, so it's 33 microfarad at 16 volts. Alright, so what we're going to be using as our donor board is this this pile of garbage. It comes from another MacBook, A1706. Yeah, look at that. So theoretically, the MacBook can already be working right now. Because that's what capacitors are. Capacitors smooth out that line. They make it nice and smooth. Yeah. Anyways, that's a A1706 board, or I don't know. I don't remember the whatever. Let's see it. Get you some display. It's A200840 board. A1708. Nah, I always mix them up. Alright. Alrighty, rightio. Okay, well that's A2004. Oh. Oh, why do you give me that? As you can see, I don't use this computer enough to really understand the functions. Usually on my my MacBook, but I gotta be on this computer today to show you what we're doing. Okay. So let's look for 33 microfarad. Searching. Okay. 33 microfarad at 16 volts. C6481. Let's just copy that. Alright. Now let's look for C6481. I wonder where it is. Oh. It's right here. No way. It's right there on the corner, all the way in the corner. Let's check it out. Yeah. Need to zoom in a little bit more. All the way in the corner there. You see? Yep, that's it. That's the C6481. Oh boy, oh boy. Let's get that off the board. Let's get that puppy off the board. All right. There we go. So there it is. Right there, a little tiny one. And here's our piece of garbage we took off. As a matter of fact, that belongs in the garbage. Let's get that going with my Batman gloves. Let's put that aside. So you're ready to rock with that one? Yeah, put it in one of these holes that you can see. Alright, there we go. Nice, nice, nice. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Shake your booty. Shake, shake, shake. Da, 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 da. Shake, shake, shake. Bum, bum, bum. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Shake, shake, shake. Da, 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 da. Okay. That is good enough for me. It's good enough for me, baby. Tantalum. Tantalum. Tantalum capacitor. Tantalum capacitor. Do do do. Let's get dangerous. Let's get those nice and hot. Let's get those T1000 juices. Come on. Yeah, that's not even on there, right? There we go. Come on. There we go. Alright. Ah. What is up with that? There we go. That's good enough for me. Set that one side right there. And you know what? Just because I'm like every other tech on every YouTube channel, we all have OCD. All of us. All of us. Yeah, that's good. It's like someone's gonna open this up later and know that I did a bad job. Oh, come on, man. There, that's good enough. That's good enough. But is it? But is it good enough? Now it's good enough. Okay. Shut the front door. It's good enough. Let's clean it. Oh, man. Man. Alright. I'm so glad we got a nice cap on there. I mean, honestly, I didn't even show that it didn't work. I mean, it was just so blown up. I mean, am I really going to run a multimeter on there? You know, I'm going to run a multimeter on there now because I still don't really know. What if I put it on a bad cap? I highly doubt it because usually tantalum capacitors explode. But you never know. Maybe that's the one that just the little black sheep that just did not want to explode. You never know. Okay, let's check it out. We're good. We're good. This thing should boot. So, this thing should boot. Let's just show you again. What? Oh. Oh, it's because I had my probe on there. Stupid. Yeah, we should be good. Honestly, I probably should have checked the capacitor before I put it in there, but I'm not perfect. I'm not perfect. But that's a pretty good soldering job. Yep. Just clean the excess, put it back in the board, and I didn't even take it out the board. CPR took it out the board, out of the housing. I didn't even take it out of the housing. So I'm also not going to take it out of the housing. Give me that line again. So I'm also not going to put it back in the housing just so quickly. What I'm going to do is I'm going to test it with my amp meter. And these ones you got to take off, so what did I press? What did I press? Hope you guys are enjoying the show. Like, share, and press that little subscribe button. That'll help the channel out, help me out. Yeah. If you want to see more repair videos. If you don't, then you suck. Then you suck. You suck. And I do not like it when people suck, so please do not suck. Honestly, I really don't care. You don't want to subscribe? Whatever. I'll live. Kind of reminds me of that Idiocracy. It's like, if you don't smoke Italians or something, then you. Ah, come on, get in there. Really? Did I seriously not put it in right? You know what? These are not even the right screws. They didn't give them to me. They're still at the shop. Just make sure they're held on good. Let's test it with our amp meter. Okay. Let's see what we get. Oh, man. Well, obviously we're going to get nothing. It falls off on me. Come on. Oh, come on. Just remember, it doesn't really need to be anyway. It could be that way, it could be anyway. Okay. See what we get. 20 volts. All right. Yeah. 20 volts at 36 milliamps. Yeah, baby, that is booting. That's definitely booting. All right. All right, everybody. Well, you never know what happens, so I'm actually going to put it in the case. Okay. Sometimes they don't turn on until you put the power. It's just taking a minute. Ah, I heard it. It's coming. Come on. Adjust my camera while we're anticipating. And there we go, baby. And that is a working MacBook. I don't know if I can get in here without showing you guys. Okay. Well, as you can see, we got a working MacBook, baby. Well, thanks, everybody. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. And have an absolutely fantastic day. And like, share, subscribe. If you want. Good night.